Wow, so that one definitely is faster. All right, what's up guys? Today we're gonna be showcasing the Pedal Commander and kind of showing what it does and why it may be something that you may want in your own 4Runner yourself. We're gonna show where we have ours mounted, how the wiring works, what it does itself, and we're gonna take it on the road and show you the changes and how it feels and the difference it really makes when you're driving. All right, so let's hop in and show you guys where we put ours. All right, so before we show you where ours is mounted, I kind of want to just explain what the Pedal Commander actually does. So basically, when you step on your gas pedal, your car sends a signal and it allows your car to throttle. And what the Pedal Commander does is it allows that signal to go faster so your gas pedal engages sooner, or it allows it to ease into it in a more eco way to save you gas mileage and keeping your RPMs a little lower, so then if you need to go fast, you can slam on it and your car's obviously gonna go just like normal. But if you just want to save gas and keep the RPMs low, you can just use it just a little bit and it will keep those RPMs low and save you a bunch on gas. Or you can switch it over to the sport mode where it's a lot more playful and it changes your 4Runner from feeling kind of sluggish and like you really have to step on it and wait for a response to when you step on it, you're going. It feels a lot better and it's just way more responsive. And the other nice thing about this is it's totally plug and play. There's a wire right behind your gas pedal that plugs into that brain and allows you to use that throttle. And basically, you just unplug that, plug the Pedal Commander in, and that's it. It literally is one plug. You just plug it in, that's it, you have it done. It's as easy as that. So taking this out of the box, you can see it has the face, and the nice part about this is you can mount it anywhere. If you want it right next to your steering wheel, down on the dash where ours is, on the left side of your steering wheel, you can mount it wherever you want. It has a long cord, so you have that free range, and you plug it in and then plug it back into its original thing and you're ready to go. You have a Pedal Commander. And like I said earlier, this isn't messing with your car at all. Basically, all it's doing is just sending the signal faster or lower. It's completely safe, completely harmless. All it does is make it so you can either be saving gas or a little bit quicker of a 4Runner. And we all know they're pretty slow. So now we'll show you where you have ours mounted and kind of how the wiring works for ours. So as you can see, we placed ours right behind our 4-wheel drive shift knob, which makes it perfect because it's out of the way, but also it's easy to access. We can get to it super fast and change what mode we're wanting for that time. We like to keep ours on the sport mode instead of the sport plus, so then we're saving a little bit on gas, but we're also able to step on it and feel a quick response. It makes the thing feel way faster. It doesn't feel super sluggish. Even with all this extra weight, it feels responsive like it's supposed to. But if we're going on like a long road trip or something, sometimes we'll bump it over to that eco and just try and save gas as much as we can. All right guys, so now we're in the car. I'm gonna switch between the eco, the city, the sport, and the sport plus and show you guys the RPMs and kind of what I'm feeling and just really explain like what this really does. All right, so right off the bat, I'm currently in the eco and it just eases into that gas. It's a super nice, subtle feeling. It doesn't feel like I'm not giving the power I need. It just feels like it's conserving power, if that makes sense. It's super subtle, but I can even see in my RPMs, as I hit the gas, it's slowly climbing. Since 4Runners and Tacomas are pretty slow, it'll have to shoot up to a high RPM. It's not doing that. It's just subtly going up instead, which I can see that definitely helping out your gas mileage. All right, so while I'm driving, I'll just get a shot on my phone of the RPM so you guys can see it slowly rising. And just so you know, each one of these modes, I'm just gonna be hitting the gas pedal at the same rate for each time to try and keep this as even as fair as possible. So I'm just gonna get a quick video. I'm hitting the gas pedal. And as you can see, the RPMs are just slowly rising. I'm evenly pushing the gas. So for example, I just got up to 40 miles per hour, hitting the gas like usual, and I didn't even get above 2,000 RPMs. Super easy, super subtle, but then if I wanted to, I can step on it and it will shoot to the RPMs I need. Overall, the eco part feels super smooth. It doesn't feel weird at all. It doesn't feel like I'm not given the power I need. It's all there. It just conserves it, so I'm definitely saving gas. Right now I'm at 1,200 RPMs and it feels great. All right, I just switched into the city mode and I can already feel a difference from the eco. Right off the bat, starting at 0 and going, the RPMs jump up a little bit faster. I'll get a video on my phone starting right now. Right as I hit the gas, ease into it, it jumps to 1,000. And then it gradually grows a little bit faster. The city is perfect for just driving around. Maybe you need to go fast in some points, but you also want to save as much gas as you can. It has a little more pep than the Eco. Eco is perfect for if you're like on a long trip and you don't need to shoot any gaps or anything like that. Whereas the City's good because you're able to get the power that you need quick, but also be saving gas as well. All right, so I just switched over to the sport mode. I'm gonna compare that starting at 0 and going up the RPMs to show that jump in RPMs and how it definitely goes faster. I can already feel a difference. So we're just gonna start from 0 and go gradually incline like we have been. 0, it's already over 1,000. Now we're at 2,000. All right, so just from that little demonstration, the sport mode definitely has more pep. I don't know if you can even see from my window, it definitely gets up a little faster. And like I said earlier, the sport mode is typically what we keep it at. We think it's just a perfect medium between being able to get to the speeds we need to while also saving gas and not being that sport plus. And it just seems like the perfect medium for us. All right guys, so we just switched it to the sport plus. We're gonna see how it feels. This one's definitely the fastest of the 3. So it's gonna be interesting to see which one it compares to and which one's my personal favorite. So we're just gonna get a little rolling start. Whoa! Wow, now that one definitely is faster. This is the fastest one for sure. It's just immediate response. Right as you hit it, it's going. And another awesome thing about these is they're all super customizable. So underneath the pedal commander, you'll see a plus and a minus. That can kind of customize on how high or low you want that setting to be. So each setting, you have your own customization for each one, which is super sweet. But I hope this did a good demonstration for you guys and helped you guys kind of understand why the pedal commander is such a sweet product. Definitely a necessity in all of our cars here at 4Runner Lifestyle, and something we hope you guys understand how awesome it is. All right guys, we hope that helps you understand what the pedal commander does and why it's something that is in every single one of our builds here at 4Runner Lifestyles. We hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to drop a like and drop a comment on what you want to see next. Thanks for watching.